a swing on the feeder. You know everything pinker. You know everything twinkle. I'm looking for a pleaser. Can you tell me, have you seen him? Tell him that I need him. He know everything pinker. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, then welcome to my channel. I am Beautiful Hustler, and this is IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. And today we'll be doing a glueless wig tutorial, and today's hair is sponsored by Luvme Hair. Now they sent me over this 7x6 loose body closure kinky wig, y'all, and it was so super easy to install. The wig already does come bleach, plucked, and pre-curled as well. And y'all, it was so easy installing this wig, and I'm going to show y'all the look that I did. Now, of course, y'all know, because it's glueless, I'm not going to go in with no ball cap because it's just so unnecessary. But I'm just going to put on the cap and just put that foundation all over the cap. And before I actually install my wig, I am going to take that Luvme Hair wig band that they gave me, like the little elastic adjustable band, and I placed that inside of my wig so I could get a really nice and comfy installation that feels pretty secured, okay? And this is what the wig looks like, just putting it on my head. This is before I even tacked it down. But yes, it is already halfway done. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and kind of pull my hair back. And I will be using holding spray as well as mousse to melt my lace in. So what I'm going to do is use some bedhead holding spray and just apply that to my corners. And then I'm going to go in with that olive oil mousse and put it on the rest of the full lace. And y'all know we're going to go in with the melt band, of course, the ultimate melt band, to tie that thing on down, as well as with some black wrapping paper and get that thing on melted. So now that we have that lace tied down, we just want to let that just go ahead and marinate so we can get a nice and melted look. But in the meantime, I am going to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb as well. And if you don't know, all products that I use are provided by my brand, as well as the melt band. So whenever you see me gluing my wigs on, I'm using my own lace glue. I'm using my own hot comb, my own edge curler, my own crimping iron, and my own flat irons, okay? So I do have a whole product line. If you are new here and if you are returning, yes, we still sell glue. Yes, we still sell products. All you got to do is head over to the website, www.ibhslays.com, okay? But nevertheless, we're just going to go ahead and hot comb the roots to this wig out nice and flat, okay? You want it to be real flat and real neat, okay? So I'm going to be doing the same thing to both sides, and then once I'm done doing that, I will go ahead and remove that belt band, and we will get into cutting the face frame layers and just curling up the hair. And now it's time to remove that melt band as well as that black wrapping paper. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that melt band first, and then I'm going to take the scissors to cut the black wrapping paper off. Be careful, you make sure you don't want to cut your lace, and to reveal the lace. And instead of trying to keep all of that extra lace, that was still like slightly lifted, I am just going to go in with the scissors and just chop it off, because you do not want extra lace. And you already know with the glueless wig, it come with like that wave pattern type of, you know, lace style in the front. And me personally, I like to either razor that off anyway, so I just went ahead and cut it with the scissors. Now I'm combing out the mousse so I could get a really nice soft, you know, look in top parting area space kind of thingy. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But now I'm going to go in with my wax stick and just hot comb that root out one more time, and just cleaning up my part and making sure it's down the middle and not down the swiddle, if you know what I mean. Okay, so once I get that all sectioned up, I will go ahead and begin to create my face frame layers, and then curl the hair up on both sides using my T3 curler. And before anyone asks, I am using the 1.25 inch size to curl up my hair, so you guys will see that in just a moment. And just to give you guys a quick hair tip, whenever you want to create like those face frame layers with that little curl top piece, you know how everybody be curling their hair now? Make sure you start from the bottom of the chin and then work your way down in an angle with your shears, scissors, whatever you're using to cut your layers. Even if you're using a razor comb or whatever you're using, start from the bottom of the chin and go on an angle. And for the curls I did, I curled everything away from the face. You want to make sure that you are curling everything away from the face when you are doing a part down the middle, depending on what type of look you're doing. But if you're going, because you know, with that peacock look, you curl everything up towards the ceiling except for the front bang parts or whatever. But for these curls, I just wanted everything to go in a downward downward direction. So I am curling everything down and away from the face. So everything I do to one side, I do to the other side. No, I did not pin curl my hair today. I just curled it and let it drop, you know, held it for a few seconds, and then I let it drop. But even without pin curling my hair, the curls were still nice, pretty, and fluffy. And just like my girl Young Miami said, baby, the way this wig finna eat down, you might want to spin that okay? And if you're going to spin it on Love Me Hair, y'all. I've been working with them for 10 years. I've been in this game, and they never have disappointed me. They always give me top quality wigs. And just look at these curls on this kinky straight texture. I mean, this kinky loose body texture. One thing about kinky hair, y'all, it gives that natural look. It be so full, so fluffy, and it always eats down. Okay, so now I'm just going in with my comb and just combing the hair out. Like I said, I didn't even have to pin curl it, and the curls were still giving. So once I finish curling everything into place, I will get my hot comb, I mean, not my hot comb, but my flat iron, and give me a little lift in the front, just so I can have it come swoop down in my face just a little bit more. But if you're somebody who don't like hair on your face, you just want to wear it off to the side, hey, baby, do what's best for you, okay? Do what works for you. It's going to be pretty either way. So I'm going to just go in with my hot comb it forward, and then go in with my flat iron to just give it a little lift in the front. Not too much, y'all. You don't want to give McDonald's signs. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to give the McDonald's arches. You just want to give it a nice little lift to bring some, some shape to the front. Okay, so that's if you like that though. That's just if you like that. Always do what you like. I'm just here to give you tips, tricks, but you take what you will, take what you want, and make it work for you. Okay, so yeah, once we lift that thing up in the front, y'all see the vision. Once we lift that thing up in the front, I will show y'all the finished look, so stay tuned.
Tell me, have you seen him? Tell him that I need him. He know everything pink He like it how I talk with my grill in my mouth. He from the East Coast, want a bitch from the South. He want a power up drink and get thrown.
And yeah, she is giving. She is pretty. She is fluffy. She is melted. She is tea. She is me. I am beautiful. Beautiful is she. Okay. So this is the full look. I absolutely love this unit. Super easy to install. Nice and fluffy and so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Your girl is back dropping the content videos. Okay. So make sure you guys show love to the channel. It's free to support. Like, comment, subscribe, share this with somebody else who needs some, trips and tips on how to lay their hair, or if you just want to do it for yourself or your clients, learn a little something, do that. Okay, y'all. But most importantly, shop with the links down below. Bye. Thanks for watching.